Good day everyone. Today we will be discussing about solving word problems involving multiplication of decimals.
In multiplying decimal numbers or in steps in solving word problem, you need to follow the 4 steps that we discuss for every time we apply the topics in solving word problems. You need to think, know, plan, and solve, and then do not forget to follow the form, the equation, solution, and answer. Now, let's answer the story problem. So if we have 100 packs of rice, and then if each rice weighs 2.56, you can write it as 100 times 2.56, or you can interchange. So 2.56 times 100, the answer is still the same. It's a commutative property of multiplication. Now in this given factors, as you can see, there's 100. If you're going to multiply 10 or 100 or 1000 and so on, then all we have to do is the other factor, which is the 2.56. You just have to move the decimal point to the right depending on the number of zeros of this number. So since, as you can see, we have 2 zeros, so from here we will move 2 decimal places, 1, 2. Therefore, the answer is 256. So for the equation, we can just write 2.56 times 100, then is equals to n. For the solution, it's 2.56. Then you move the decimal point 2 places, then the answer is 256. Do not forget to put the label. The question is how many kilograms. So you put 256 kilograms of rice Miss De Santos family were able to donate. Now, let's have more examples. The Unlimited Logistics Incorporated received a shipment of 5 boxes of wax. Each box weighs 65.08 kilograms. How many kilograms of wax were there in all? So, this is application of multiplication of decimals. So we have 65.08. The process is, you just have to align it. Then you multiply as usual. We have 40. 5 times 0 is 0. And 4, that's 25. Carry 2. 32. Now, you move or you count the digits after the decimal point in the factors 1, 2. There is no decimal point, so just 2. So from here in the product, you move 2 place 1, 2. The answer is 300. So this is the equation. So 65.08 times 5 equals n. Then solution. Then the answer is 325.40. Again, it's kilograms. 325 and 40 kilograms. Next, the school nurse measured Jim's weight for 55.46. What is Jim's weight in pounds if 1 kilogram is equals to 2.2 pounds? So 1 kilogram is equals to 2.2. Now Jim's weight is 55.46 kilogram. What if you're going to convert it in pounds? So this is again multiplication. The equation would be 55.46 times 2.2 equals n. Solution, 55.46 times 2.2. We have, so this is 12, 1, 9, 10, 1, 11. Just have to copy because it's the same. 2, 9, 0, 1, 1. Then add 2, 11, carry 1, 10, carry 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, then count the decimal, the digits in the decimal, after decimal point of the factors. We have 1, 2, and then there's another decimal point here, 3. So total of 3 from the product. We just move 3 places, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for the answer is 122.012 pounds. Next. An antibiotic capsule costs 50 pesos and 25 centavos. If a doctor asks you to drink 3 capsules a day for 7 days, how much will it cost you to buy all the antibiotics needed for 1 week? So for 1 week, that's 7 days. Now this problem, if you are going to analyze, it's not only multiplication, it's not deals with just one multiplication. Let's see, let's analyze. For the equation, each capsule is 50 pesos and 25 cents. Now, how many antibiotic capsules are you going to buy? Are you just going to buy 7 or just 3 or 10? Just add 7 and 3. No, you have to, if each day you will drink 3 capsules for 7 days. What's the total? So, you're going to multiply 50.25, multiply it with 3 times a day times 7 days. Then that's the equation. Okay. So, we can solve now. Miss, can I multiply 3 times 7 first and then 50.25, or can I multiply this first, or and so on? Can I interchange? Yes, it's a commutative property of multiplication. So let's multiply 50.25 times 3, or let's multiply this first. 3 times 7, it's 21. So multiply 50.25 times 21. So we multiply this 50.25 and then this 21 because the question is how much will it cost? So how much are you going to pay for the antibiotic capsule? Because usually if you're going to drink antibiotic, it's really 7 days. So we have 5, 2, 0, 5, 10, 31, 5, 0, 10. Okay, 5, 2, 5, 5, 0, 1. Then count the decimal places. 1, 2. So from here, 1, 2. The answer is, question is how much? So it should be in peso. Therefore, is 1,055.25. So expensive. Okay, so how much it cost? 1,055 pesos and 25 centavos. Last question. The fisherman will be paid 90 pesos and 75 centavos for every kilo of fish caught. If 30 kilograms of fish are caught in one night and they will fish for a whole week, how much money will the fisherman get in a week? So it's almost the same process as the previous problem. If you're the equation here is each kilo is 90 pesos and 75 cents, and then if they were able, and every day they get 30 kilograms, right? So they get 30 kilograms and each kilo costs 75, and then that's 30 kilograms for one night. And the question is for one whole week, get in a week. So this is the problem. So in a week there are 7 days, so times 7 is equals to n. Now let's solve. Let's multiply this 30 times 7 so that we can just multiply it right away. So 90.75 times 210. Because 30 times 7 is 210. So you multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 0, 9, 10, 14, carry 1, 1, 80. Okay, then let's add 0, 5, 7, 4, 10, carry 1, 9, 1. Then move the decimal, count the decimal places or the digits. 1, 2. There's no decimal points, which is 2 from here. 1, 2. Okay, so the question is how much money will the fisherman get in a week? How much? It is 19,047 pesos and 50 cents. Wow, it's a big money.